Welcome to the online lecture series of refrigeration and air conditioning. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is a video session on fan coil unit, fans, fan laws, filters, supply and return grille and sensors of air distribution system in air conditioning. In this session, you will be able to explain fan coil unit, types of fan, fan laws, filters, air outlets and sensors. Fan coil unit. It is a device consisting of a heating or cooling coil and a fan. It is used in all types of buildings, offices, restaurants, canteens, etc. for air distribution purpose. The fan coil unit is located at the ceiling level. Here we can see fresh air is passed through the filters over the heating or cooling coil. This conditioned air is supplied by the fan through the duct to the different locations. Here fan forces the air through the heating or cooling coil. It pushes the conditioned air towards the cooling space. Here centrifugal fan is used. So centrifugal fan is a mechanical device used for moving air. In this fan, centrifugal force is developed by rotating impeller. Air enters axially and leaves radially the fan. Centrifugal fan is classified based on type of curved blade as forward curved fan and backward curved fan. In case of forward curved fan, the tips of the blade are curved forward in the direction of fan. The blades are shallow in depth. This fan delivers more quantity of air. In case of backward curved fan, the tips of the blade are curved backward away from the rotation of fan. It requires higher speed. This fan has higher efficiency. Fan laws. The fan laws are a group of useful equations for determining the effects of a change in the speed, the diameter of the fan and the density of air in the system. They are most useful for determining the fan characteristics like fan capacity, static pressure and fan power. Fan laws. The two fans are said to be geometrically similar when their wheel dimensions have the same proportionate ratios. Case 1 mentions volume flow rate or capacity of a fan is directly proportional to the fan speed and the cube of the impeller diameter. Mathematically, Q is proportional to N and proportional to D cube. So Q is a fan capacity, N is a speed and D is a diameter of fan. By using this equation further, we find relation Q1 upon N1 is equal to Q2 upon N2. Second relation Q1 upon D1 cube is equal to Q2 upon D2 cube. So this relation is between fan capacity and speed, and the second relation is between fan capacity and diameter. By combining these two relations, we have this equation Q1 upon N1 into D1 cube is equal to Q2 upon N2 into D2 cube is equal to constant. Case 2 mentions the power of fan is directly proportional to the cube of the fan speed, fifth power of impeller diameter and density of air. Mathematically, P is proportional to N cube, D raised to 5 and rho A, where P is a fan power, N is a speed, D is a diameter and rho A is air density. This equation gives further relation for the power and speed, means P1 upon N1 cube is equal to P2 upon N2 cube. Next relation for the power and diameter, that is P1 upon D1 raised to 5 is equal to P2 upon D2 raised to 5. Third relation for the power and air density, P1 upon rho A1 is equal to P2 upon rho A2. By combining these three relations, we find this equation: P1 divided by N1 cube into D1 raised to 5 into rho A1 is equal to P2 divided by N2 cube D2 raised to 5 into rho A2 is equal to constant. Case 3 mentions the static pressure of fan is directly proportional to the square of the fan speed. Mathematically, SP is proportional to the N square. So SP is static pressure and N is a speed. It gives relation SP1 upon N1 square is equal to SP2 upon N2 square. Filters. Depending on the air purity requirements, air filter control higher or lower particle, viruses, bacteria, odors, etc. Here are types of filters are as ionic air filters, HEPA air filters, carbon air filters and ultraviolet air filters. Ionic air filter. These filters are also called as ionizers. It charges the air molecules. It produces negatively charged ions called as anions. Particles in air are deionized when comes in contact of anions and are removed from air. Thus, at the end of this filter, air is purified. HEPA air filters. It means high efficiency particulate absorbing. It removes 99.97% airborne particles. It consists of fiberglass with a fine mesh that traps harmful particles such as pollen pet, dander, dust mites and tobacco smoke. Here we can see continuous sheet of fiber medium is fitted in a filter frame with aluminum separator. Carbon air filters. These are commonly used to remove gases. They are designed to filter gases through a bed of activated carbon. As air passes through it, activated carbon absorbs the odor and gases. It absorbs more contaminants due to high porosity. Ultraviolet air filters. These filters are designed with ultraviolet lamps which produces short-wave ultraviolet light to inactivate airborne pathogens and microorganisms like mold, bacteria and viruses. These filters are used along with HEPA filters in medical applications. Air outlets. For good distribution of air in order to create a proper combination of temperature, humidity and motion, air outlets are used. So here are following types: supply grille, return air grille, ceiling diffuser outlet and perforated ceiling panels. This is return grille outlet. Warm air from the room which is being used is collected by using return air grille, and it is carried by using return air duct to the air handling unit for the cooling. In case of return air grille, the openings that connect to the duct spaces for the returning air are normally covered with the grille work. So here you can see this is a grille work. Ceiling air diffuser. These are multi-passage of square, round or rectangular shape. It consists of series of flaring rings. So air through supply duct is coming to the diffuser and it is distributed to the space, that is conditioned space. Perforated ceiling panels. They are used the confined space above the ceiling as a supply plenum. Air is delivered to the room through holes or slots. Accessories of grille outlets. Grille outlets have fixed or adjustable bar grilles. These help in uniform distribution of air over the whole grille area. Here are 4 orientations of grille outlets shown. Temperature sensors. It is installed in the air inlet of the evaporator in the air conditioner, used to automatically control the indoor air temperature. It compares measured value of temperature to the set value by thermostat. Humidity sensors. A humidity sensor is an electronic device that measures and monitors the amount of moisture present in the air. It is in the range of 10 to 90% relative humidity, and applied voltage is a DC of 10 volt. Smoke sensors. It is an electronic fire protection device that automatically senses the presence of smoke as a key indication of fire. It alerts the occupant in the building by alarm for their safety. So at the end of this session, you can explain fan coil unit, types of fan laws, filters, air outlets and sensors. If you like this session, please subscribe and share. Thank you.